Welcome to another day of the 30-day Artist Trading Challenge. And the reason why this says Say Cheese is because June 4th was National Cheese Day. And even, sorry I'm not posting this on June 4th, but June 4th was National Cheese Day. But that's not the only thing it was. It turns out these national days or holidays there's more than one, and I'll tell you about that more in a minute. And I'd just like to mention about my fingernails are still like that because June 1st, among other things, was National Nail Polish Day and was also National Say Something Nice Day. So besides National Cheese Day, it was also National Cognac Day, National Safety Day, and National Old Maids Day, which I cannot believe. National Old Maids Day. Okay, so I chose to do something on cheese. Every one of my cards in this challenge will not be about each national holiday or each national day, because I lost some inspiration ending around after June 11th. I was like, I lost my inspiration for it. So instead, I got inspiration elsewhere. And I just want to say it's the hashtag ATCAD2018. If you put that in the YouTube browser, Instagram browser, or Facebook browser, you will find all the other artists participating in this event, creating all wonderful artwork on these artist trading cards, which are only 2.5 by 3.5 inches. So it's a concentrated, small little size. But one rule of thumb that I've heard from one artist is that when you make artist trading cards, you make them as if it was a larger size artwork. You don't just skimp out on any of the elements or any compositional elements or details just because it's you're working in a small space. And this is sponsored by Shel C and Peg Robinson, and I've linked their YouTube channels down below. And I used, for the cheese and wine bottle, I got that off of pixabay.com, where you can find copyright-free images that you can use for commercial use, and no attribution is required. And so I printed that off my inkjet printer, and then that cute sign which says Farmer's Market. I love that aged looking sign. I got that from Canvas Core Brands papers, and they just have all kinds of papers and paper pads, and I don't know which paper pad that came from, but I love that. They have a bunch of old age signs in one of their packs. So these are close-up shots of the finished piece. It's just a simple collage. And please stop by tomorrow. My goal is to be making a video every day, so check out day 8. I believe I'm day 8. I think we'll just come back tomorrow. I'm definitely going to have a video. And if you like this video, please definitely click the like button. Please comment so I know you're here, and please subscribe. Thank you.